touch you. Can I touch you? Good on you. Good morning! Wow! Look at that! Good morning! We just woke up. Good morning! Look at that! It's just such a nice view. Oh my God! Today we will have farm tour. Nga mga walay katulog, tag-ubo ang mga tao. Good morning, guys.
Yes.
Hey, Gigil. Hello. Good morning.
Hi, sis. Colder this morning.
Yeah, it was freezing cold.
There's another door around there.
Diba naka-stand?
Hopefully we can get 4 in.
Children first.
Yeah, that's it.
Ibay.
Sweet. Hopefully she'll be warm enough up here.
Here now at the farm.
So they're used a lot. Once again, they're just following the cows up there.
Oh,
So if you want to just walk down to the track, we'll hop back in again.
he's so friendly. He's so good. Hop back in. At the Mildred first.
So we'll do that first.
Ang nagpapataba sa lupa. It's basically grass.
Ang nagpapataba ng puso ni Clyde.
Ay, dahil ito sa pandya.
Tuan na, toing.
Dapat ito yung kastunga.
Amazing.
Mahadlok ang ship sa iro.
Oh.
Perfect.
Oh, ikaw
Amazing, oh. Tawgo na ang pangalan. Tawgo na pangalan. Kasabot na sila.
Oh my gosh, look at that. They're all moving.
sila dali.
They might just have to, because if you make even noise,
Oh,
they
okay.
won't come around. So,
So we'll
just
just
say,
quiet.
just be nice and quiet. You know, it's cool.
Kasi nakapuwa.
Wanna go, Silk?
Yung napalakaw.
Yeah, we can hop out there. Look.
Are you having fun, Gigil?
Diba? Oh, kay
Good on ya.
si Guwapa, day.
Good on you. Ayun siya, ay naog diha bayot.
Picture. Kay Bawad yun na. Isang Reyna. Kapila ni siya, day.
Hi. Good dogs. Hello. You good dog. Hey.
Kita tayo mo cover?
It's a very friendly dog.
Nay.
Good on you, Patch.
You like it?
He likes it. Look at the cow, love. He's looking at you.
Go scratch the cow.
Hello everyone, meet Stephanie. Will be joining us for today.
For today's lesson is milk.
Yeah.
Bilis.
Madam, Siri lagi ni.
Good boy.
They're so cute.
Oh, there, love.
The black one.
What's your favorite cow? I like that cow.
Which
Here,
one?
because it has like a little black eye. It's like a typical cow.
Look, Vivi.
Oh, I will feed them. See? Guys, I want to touch you. Can I touch you? You're so cute. We're gonna go now. Bye. Bye. Sure. Look at that. Money, money.
Was the milk of New Zealand? Was the anchor? Was the anchor?
Alpine.
Alpine?
Bye.
I don't know how to feed. Sorry. How to feed.
Oh yeah.
I'm scared.
If you want to, you just hold out like that. There you go. They know
I'm
what
too
they're doing.
scared.
If you hold your hand flat,
Okay.
they'll grab some more.
Just like they won't eat my
No,
hand.
no. If you keep your hand, it feels quite funny.
Oh god. Oh
keep-
god. Oh god. Oh my gosh, she has bangs like me.
Oh my god,
Oh,
relative.
are we related or something? Sorry.
You should go first.
How many? Probably.
Oh, it doesn't matter. Yeah. Oh,
Yeah?
you can do that. Mate. Eat it straight out there. It feels funny. And,
I can feel
some of them they'll go
ready.
straight
You're expecting for us to feed you, aren't you? Okay. Here are the vacationistas.
Vacationistas na level 2.
No, I don't have food. We don't have food, eh? Ay! They have names?
Yeah, Kathy knows the names of them all.
All
Don't
of them.
Wow.
These two here were triplets, but they're brother and sister.